Guys, let's cook alimasan with squash and string beans. Join me, guys. I potato, spices. Now we added the squash and beans, guys. Just mixing. Well, wait for it to cook, guys. Let's add seasoning, guys. And a little salt. Now we'll add the coconut milk, guys. It's almost done, guys. Let's have some crabs and vegetables. Crabs with coconut milk and vegetables. Let's have some, guys. We'll wait for a while to cook the coconut milk. Thank you for watching. Tang, 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 tang. Let's add malunggay, guys. Make it flavorful. It's almost done, guys. Thank you for watching.